Right, I'm going to show you how to peel and chop an onion. So using a sharp knife, cut the top off the onion, sit it flat so it doesn't rock around, and then cut in half directly through the root, keeping the root intact. Then peel away the skin. Put the onion flat, and then using your fingers like a claw, hold on to the onion and then slice the onion with the tip of the knife, cutting almost all the way through to this end, but not quite. And this will keep the onion together. And then once you reach the end, turn the onion, again gripping the onion with your fingers, keeping your knuckles nice and straight, and then just slice the onion through. So you end up with tiny little cubes of onion, and this is called a finely diced onion. And then you'll eventually reach the end, which is where you have the root and it's all held together, and you've got a chopped onion and then the little bit of root. And that's how you chop an onion.